Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about common denominator and we have like this. So for this one, we need to multiply by t squared plus t for this one in here. This one, that's it for t. Next, t minus t we cancel. Now, we need to simplify t and t. Next, this one we can do about factorization. And now we can simplify t and t. So we can put number 0 on here. And we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.